Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the working of HVAC system and how to start a HVAC system. This is our main MCC panel. In this panel first we start cooling tower fan, then we start our condenser pump motor, then we start our chiller pump motor. We start our compressor from this LCD screen. In this side there is a 2 unit of water cooled screw type chiller. This is 125 TR unit and this is 160 TR unit. Main part of chiller is our compressor. This is terminal box of compressor. This is controlling box of our chiller and this is conditioner. This is dryer and this is our expansion valve and this is evaporator. Here you can see that. This is high pressure safety relief valve. It is connected on our conditioner. And this is low pressure safety relief valve which is connected on our evaporator. This is cooling tower water inlet line and this is outline line. This is air handling unit inlet line and this is our outline line. Here is connected water flow switch in both outline line of conditioner and evaporator. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.